like it's a robot. Like, but the arms don't move. Excuse me, the legs don't move. It's just a robot. We get into this joint next. Stay tuned. Yo, what's good, party people? It's your boy Court. Just another fragrance review which will be sprinkling across the screen as we speak. Before we get into this fragrance here, let's get into some business. Follow me on my things. It's Court MC in both Twitter and Instagram. Or Instagram and Twitter. It's probably showed up the other way on the screen. The real JAFR on TikTok. I go to TikTok at all, man. Y'all already know that, but any tips, tricks, just let your boy know. If you're new here, my name's Court, once again, and it's just another fragrance reviewer. And it's kind of in the title, man. We review fragrances, talk about it, where you can buy them for cheap, how to wear them, when to wear them, etc., etc. So if you're new here, welcome. Glad to have you. Subscribe, stay for a while, man. Watch to the end of the video. I'm giving nothing away, so you're just here for your boy, you know, in all his glory. You dig? Anyway, and like I said in the intro, we're gonna talk about Phantom today. One of the newer joints in my collection that I actually just got the other day. It's my scent of the day today. If you're watching this, today is Sunday the 16th. Just got it yesterday. Actually, my sister bought me another fragrance for Christmas, and actually got me something I already owned. So we took it back, and I exchanged it for this. It was retail, so I had to stay within the amount that she paid for the original fragrance that she bought me. So I picked this joint up, and here's a presentation, man. Like I said, it's a robot. Legs don't move, arms don't move. It has this, as you can see, the little Wi-Fi symbol at the top. You're supposed to be able to tap your phone to it to get to a page, which didn't work when I tapped my phone to it. But there's a QR code on the box, and it takes you to the website. And I'll put, you know, a little video up showing exactly what that looks like. But it's really not much. I mean, so they kind of explain it, and I'm looking on my computer now in the description of what this fragrance is supposed to be. They say, step into the Paco galaxy and join an intergalactic party where everyone is invited. You can be whoever you want to be, no matter who you are, no matter which planet you come from. So, and they express that with a little silver robot that look, yeah, whatever. Outside of the kind of, I'll just say it, corny presentation, is actually a decent fragrance. Let me show y'all the distro. I don't have any test strips, but you see a lot comes out when you spray, like most Paco fragrances. Great atomizer. Let's get into the notes. You're gonna notice a note that's featured prominently in this joint. Just let me know what it is down in the comments anyway. Top, you got lavender, lemon zest, and Amalfi lemon, whatever that is. In the middle, you have lavender, apple, smoke, earthy notes, and patchouli. And in the base and bottom notes, you got vanilla, lavender, and vetiver. So they really want you to know that, you know, lavender is featured up and through this joint, man. Like I said, it's a fairly decent fragrance. It projects super hard, super far on the initial spray, and then it kind of, you know, tapers down and levels off once you get to the dry down. And longevity for me, I wore it today, went out, came back on skin, like it became a skin scent within like 2 to 3 hours, man. So wasn't, you know, longevity on it is okay. You know, you get spray heavy, just stay away from people on the initial, and then you know, probably last a lot longer for you after that. Like I reapplied just to get reacquainted with it once I got home. It was getting ready to do this video. Anyway, I recommend it. Do not recommend picking it up for retail. So wait till it hits, you know, online retailers, you know, Fragrance Net, Fragrance Buy, Fragrance X, et cetera, or maybe find it in a swap group or something like that first. Do not pay full retail for this, because full retail is like 108 and some change. Don't do that. It's not worth it. I think it's a good $50 to $60 scent, and that's kind of even pushing it. But I recommend it though. It's a nice scent, man. It smells great. And definitely not gonna smell like anybody else. Well, maybe you will. Yeah, you kind of will. Mostly see it as a fall, spring, and summer scent. Like I think you could get some decent performance during the cold weather. Like it's one of those year-rounders, office scents, pleasing scents. It's not gonna, you know, be a turn off for anybody if they smell it on you. You should get some, you know, compliments, you know, depending on where you're at and where you wear it at anyway. Yeah, but that's it, man. That's Paco Rabanne Phantom, the little robot whose arms and neck and legs don't move, and the little thing that's supposed to connect you to the website didn't work either. Anyway, that's it, man. Short and sweet. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share with your peoples. Don't let your peoples be funky, man. We're pushing to get to that all, you know, elusive 1,000 subscriber amount for YouTube, in order to, you know, be one of the folks that they push out constantly to other people. You know, YouTube's all about, you know, making their cash. So that's what you got to do, man. So if you don't mind sharing for your boy, and get your boy to get your peoples to share and to subscribe and stay wild too, I definitely appreciate it. Anyway, love y'all, man. Y'all be easy. See y'all on the next one. Peace.